Thank you for watching DLM Tutoring. I'm Justin, and today we're going to be finishing our series looking at the supply list for Aurora Hills Middle Schoolers. Today, we're going to be learning about how to divide decimals by whole numbers. Let's look at our question. A parent will pay the tax on supplies for 5 Aurora Hills Middle School 6th graders. If the students divide the remaining $178.71 among themselves, how much will each student pay? So, as you can see, I've already set up my long division problem with my number 5 on the outside and the amount of money that's being split up by those 5 students on the inside. Division can be helped by putting in some place value charts. So here you're going to see me add in place value charts to this problem so that I can keep track of my numbers a little bit better and make sure that I don't make any mistakes as I'm dividing with decimals. I'm able to see my numbers by place value, and it's going to allow me to keep track of my numbers better. Now, in order to divide, it's important to remember the process of division. So I use a mnemonic device, and it's called, Does McDonald's serve burgers? Again, does McDonald's serve burgers? So that tells us the cycle of divide, multiply, subtract, and bring down until we get our final quotient, or the answer to our division problem. So, in this case, I'm going to use the same process. I'm dividing into the smallest number. 5 goes into 17 because 5 can't go into 1. 5 goes into 17 3 times. 3 times 5 is 15. I'm going to subtract now, leaving me with just 2. And I'm going to bring down this 8 from the next place value. Now I'm going to start the process all over again. Remember, does McDonald's serve burgers? Divide, multiply, subtract, bring down. So now, after I've divided, I have all of my digits. And when I'm dividing a decimal by a whole number, all I need to do is bring that decimal straight up in the same place value. So I get the answer that each student is going to have to pay $35.742,000. Well, since we can't actually have them pay that way, we only go down to the hundredths when it comes to money. Each person is actually going to pay $35.74, but one person is going to have to be nice enough to pay the extra cent that's left over. And that's how you divide decimals, using a place value chart. Remember to follow, like, and subscribe on Twitter, Instagram, and YouTube. See you next time on DLM Tutoring.